The two major events in a woman's life that contribute to the decline of vaginal health are childbirth and menopause. And it's really the changes that occur as a result of those. For example, the stretching of the vaginal lining during childbirth can have an effect on the function of the tissues. And the same thing occurs with menopause, where hormone changes can result in atrophy and dryness, which can lead to discomfort with intercourse and a change in function of the vaginal wall. And of course, there are other things that are perhaps not natural occurrences, like the use of certain medications for chemotherapy. And that simulates what happens with menopause, in that the sudden change in hormones can have a significant effect on the function of the vaginal lining. What's groundbreaking about Diva vaginal laser therapy is that this is a non-surgical, effective treatment for vaginal dryness, vaginal laxity, and urinary incontinence that takes 8 to 10 minutes to perform. There's no downtime from this, there's no surgery, and there's no medications that are required. It's very effective, and I think it's going to be something that, as women start talking about this, is going to be extremely popular.
My name's Amanda, and I've been in the industry for about 14 years and in and out of clinics, obviously coming here with you guys with Glow and just chatting with the girls and hearing about Diva and being a really firm believer in the Sciton backing, it really intrigued me. So when we started chit-chatting and we started talking about how, you know, incontinence can be treated now after having children, I was pretty interested, and so I looked into it a little bit more and came in for my first treatment with you guys, and it was a little bit, you know, you get a little bit nervous and stuff working with people that you see month to month and stuff, and then, you know, being in a procedure with them. But the staff made me feel really comfortable. Bedside table manner during the whole procedure was amazing, and surprisingly enough, the treatment was painless. So I was really happy with that. Post-care wasn't bad at all. There was really no downfall. I could still go work out the next day. I didn't really have any pain or anything, so that made me excited to come back for my second treatment. This whole Diva thing has been interesting within the market because there is a plus side to not only the incontinence, but the bedroom side of things. So that has improved. Not only myself noticed it, but my partner noticed it, and he's not complaining. So definitely within each treatment, there has been a tightening effect. I think the most surprising thing was that I actually noticed a difference right after my first treatment. I work out actively every day and run on a treadmill and drink a lot of water, and there's no, oh, I'll just wait a minute and then go to the washroom when you're in the middle of a run. And I did start to notice that, so that was really nice to have. Or just playing with my kids and laughing too hard. I mean, women deal with this every day, and we don't talk about it enough, and I feel like we need to talk about it, so that's why I'm here, and I definitely notice it, and I'm letting everybody know about the Diva.
In a few moments, one of our clients, Amanda Massey, is going to be coming for her third Diva treatment. But just before she gets here, I just want to run through and talk to you a bit about the machine. So before she gets here, I'm just going to get settings set up for her. It is a progressive treatment, so they change every treatment whenever she comes in. This is the Diva handpiece here. So the amazing thing about Diva and Sciton's technology is that the technology, actually the laser never touches the client whatsoever. So what we use is actually a disposable cover. This is called a squid, and this goes over the laser probe itself. So the laser itself, there's no autoclaving, it's completely sterile. This is completely unique to Sciton and any of the other devices out there. So that's one thing. Also, it is a foot pedal operated, so it means even distribution of energy throughout the vaginal canal all the way around. So when Amanda gets here, what we're going to do is we're going to get her comfortable on the bed, and then we apply a topical. So this is an amazing topical. It really makes, like, honestly, it's totally comfortable. You feel a bit of tapping, that's all. That's applied 20 minutes, and then we remove it, and then we're ready to get started with the treatment. So like we discussed, Amanda, what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 passes. So the first one, we're just going to be focusing on the anterior wall. That's going to tighten up all the tissue just around the urethra. Great for stress incontinence, or anybody that just feels like that need to pee if they're in the gym, or laugh, cry, whatever, cough. Second pass is going to be the full 360. So this is great for lubrication, for tightening, and just the general health of the vagina. Okay, so let's get the topical on and let's get started.
So came in, and obviously they're really precautious, your staff here. So pregnancy test was done. Thank God it was negative. So going through that, and then they prep you for it. 30 minutes of numbing cream is inserted. So I sat there and I read and did emails. And then within the procedure, when I was working with the girls, it took about 5 minutes. They let you know everything that's happening, maybe when you might start feeling a little bit more sharpness, but truthfully, I didn't feel a thing. I think that whether you've had children or whether, you know, just as you age, you're noticing something within the bladder incontinence, definitely look into it. It is a painless procedure. The benefits far outweigh it. It's 3 treatments. After the second one, I noticed huge differences there. So definitely don't be scared of it. I mean, as women, we have to go through these things and we need to talk about it, and then you get the extra perks as well. Definitely, I feel that people should come to 8 West and have a consult, and it is amazing and it is worth the treatment. Diva's amazing. It really is. And so is the staff here. So I highly encourage them to come and check it out.